question 4 from task number 9, on what interval is the function f of x increasing? So we're going to plug this into our graphing calculator as I've done, and we're going to hit graph. Now I can see that going from left to right as we judge this, so judging it horizontally from left to right, it is increasing. Here's a turning point, then it's decreasing. Here's another turning point, and then is increasing. So I really need to know what is this local maximum and this local minimum. So we want to know, where is it increasing? If I could highlight here, it is increasing here. So it's increasing as it comes from the far left, and it's increasing all the way up to some value. And then at this turning point, it starts to increase again. I need to figure out what this local minimum is. And then as we move to the right, it continues to increase. Let's first start by figuring out what is this local maximum. Second trace, going to maximum, and I'm going to go slightly to the left of the highest point, slightly to the right, and we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. And so here we go. Now, which value do I use? Is it the x or the y? We are describing this in terms of x value. So as I come from the far left, it is increasing all the way to an x value of 0.18. Okay? And then it's decreasing until it gets to this local minimum. Second trace, let's find that minimum. Bringing this down. And here we go. At this minimum value, 1.81, as it leaves this x value, it begins to increase as it continues to move to the right. Notice that I have parentheses. As a refresher from the first semester of this school year, when we describe increasing, decreasing, or constant, we are always using parentheses in those intervals.